We have a list of jobs to do, and what I want to do is create a spreadsheet such as this. When I want to wash the car, I can click on this checkbox, it grays it out, it crosses it out, it puts a task complete and a little percentage. And then when I click on order shopping, you can see that works there. But how do we do that? Let's do that. We're going to create a new sheet just at the bottom. Let me just roll in here, and I'll just type in job list at the top. And let's type the list that we've got. So wash car, order shopping. That's it, make TikToks. I've got nothing better to do. And that's good. What's the last one we got? Book insurance. Oh yeah, to do that. Oh my goodness, book insurance. All right, let's just make that wider. So first thing I need to do is just add a checkbox in. So what I need to do is to bring this developer tab here at the top. So if you right click on any tab at the ribbon, go to customize the ribbon, and then you can see that you've got the developer tab just here. So make sure that's ticked. Once it's ticked, click on OK, and that's above. Click on it, and then you can click on insert, and then we're going to go to the checkbox control. Give that a click, and then find anywhere inside B3, give it a click, and it'll insert the checkbox. What I'll then do is just click once more just to the left of the letter C and hold down the delete key on the keyboard to get rid of all of that extra text. So now what I need to do is I can check and I can check it, but what I need to do is get this checkbox to control another cell. So I'm going to right click on the checkbox, go down to format control, and then in the cell link box, I'm going to click over and click on C3 and then click on OK. If I click away and then I click, you can see when I check the checkbox, C3 comes up true or false. Yeah. So what I need to do is I'm just going to auto fill this down. So if I just going to right click and then go to format control and change the size of the box. Let me just reduce that to say 1 centimeter should do the trick. There we go. Click on OK. Makes it a little narrower, so I can click on the edge here and I can drag to autofill these boxes down. Unfortunately, I know not of a way to automatically get it to autofill the cell references. So you see when I click one, it does all of them. So the way that I'm going to get around that is literally just right click, format control, and then change under control here, C3 to C4. Press enter and do the same with this one. Right click, format control, instead of C3, that's going to be C5. Press enter, and this last one is going to be C6. Right click, format control, and change that to C6 and press enter. Okay, and then if I click and I change these, you can see them updating. Looking good. So what I now need to do is I can use conditional formatting to check the value of C. So if I click on wash car, I'm going to click on home at the top, go down to conditional formatting and go to new rule, and then use a formula to determine which cells to format. Clicking the format values where this formula is true, and then the formula is going to be C3. That's all you need to do. Click on C3. But there is one more thing you need to do, and that's remove the dollar in front of the 3. Once you've done that, click on format, and then I want that strike through. Make sure it's ticked. Click on the color drop down list and choose a gray. Then click on OK. Click on OK again. And then you can see that that makes that gray. Now, I want it to happen to the rest of them. It's not happening at the moment. So I'm just going to go to conditional formatting and manage rules. And then where it says applies to, I'm just going to highlight that all the way down from A3 to A6. Click on OK. And now when I click on order shopping, you can see order shopping goes and grays out and make TikToks and book insurance. So let's do the tasks completed. So I'm just going to click in E and I put tasks completed. Okay, and I'm going to align that to the right so that I can put in the number of tasks completed. And I'll use a COUNTIF function for this. Count if, open bracket. And then basically I'm just going to check to see if any of these here are true. So at the moment you can see 0. When I check that there, and that's grayed out, you can see task completed 1, 2, that's great. And then the last thing is the percentage completed. So percentage tasks completed. I'm running out of room here. Let's just change that to brilliant. I've still got room. And the way that's going to work is basically I'm going to take the tasks completed here and divide it by, and I'm going to do the count A of these tasks just here. That's good. Control enter or enter, and I'm just going to change that to a percentage, And then just to prove the point, if I click, I can see, there you go, one task, 25%, 50%, 75%. That's great. So I'm just going to merge and center the ones here at the top, change this one here. Job done. Oh, I think I'll just right click as well and hide this column just in the middle, so I don't actually have to see that helper column, and just make that a little narrower. And yeah, looking good. Job done. I'll see you next time.